Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to zoom in and zoom out in Premiere Pro. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now here, as you can see guys, I have my own clip right here, and now I want to add some modifications and do a zoom in. So what you're gonna do is very simple. You're going to click on this scene right here, the preview of your scene. Then you have to move this circle right here a little bit to the place that you want to zoom in or zoom out. So I'm gonna zoom on his face, so I'm gonna move this circle right here into his face right on this point. So I want to zoom in to this point right here, so the zoom will come from center to this area. Now go to scale, then click on this stopwatch sign, click on it, then it will automatically do a keyframe. Now I want you to go about 3 to 4 or even 2 seconds, for example. Then I'm gonna click on add frame again, then I will change this value to 130, for example. Then click on enter, and now when we go back again and play the video, as you can see, it's now doing the zoom in. Now if you want to do the zoom out, you can simply drag this bar right here or this scroll right here in order to zoom in and zoom out in this area. Now I want to make a zoom out, so I'm gonna leave some space right here. Then I'm gonna click on the keyframe sign, click on it to add a keyframe, then play it again. Then after playing, I want you to click on this sign again. Then I want you to change the value to whatever value you want. I'm gonna change it back to 100, for example. Now as you can see, here's the zoom out, and the previous was the zoom in. So now we have zoom out and zoom in. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.